Most people use AI by going back and forth. Ask, wait, fix, ask again. But you can force Claude to run entire team internally. A project manager, a writer, and critic. All in one shot, right here in Claude Code. Let's watch it actually run. Pasting the prompt into the terminal. Now I paste the whole prompt directly into Claude Code and hit enter. Claude Code starts processing. From here, I'm not doing anything. Claude runs the entire team on its own. Agent A defines the strategy. Agent A goes first, define who this is for and the core strategy. Next, Agent B writes the first draft, and Agent C clicks the draft. Agent B revises. Agent C approves. Final output appears. No back and forth, no 5 separate messages, one prompt, one execution, done, right inside Claude Code. Thank you so much. Thank you. Goodbye. Next time.